Welcome to AlgebraMath.net, where we present information from Chapter 1, Mathematics as a Living Experience, Section 1.2, Integers. This presentation, along with the material needed to complete this section of your study of algebra, can be found at AlgebraMath.net. In this section, you will discover what numbers compose the integers, constructing a number line, graphing integers on the number line, opposites and the additive inverse, comparing integers, rewriting an inequality. Numbers that compose the integers. From section 1.1, we learned that the counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Another name for counting numbers is positive integers. We can emphasize the positiveness of a number by including a plus sign like we see below. So in the table we have the number plus 1, read as positive 1. Number plus 2, read as positive 2. Plus 3, read as positive 3. The opposites of the positive integers are the negative integers. Examples are negative 1, read as negative 1. Minus 2 or negative 2, read as negative 2. Negative 3, read as negative 3, and so forth. The word integer then refers to the numbers minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The three dots at either end show that the numbers continue. We can associate every integer with a point of a line called a number line. The point is called the graph of the number, and the number associated with the point is called the coordinate of the point. In constructing a number line, we first choose a point and label it 0. This point is called the origin. Then we choose some unit of measure and mark off equally spaced points to the right and left of 0. These points are labeled with integers. Here we have a diagram showing how we did this. This is found in the book itself. So figure 1, we see where 0 is. It's the origin. And here we have the laying out of all the integers on the number line. Opposites and the additive inverse. In this section, you'll learn about the opposites and the additive inverse. You'll see several examples that show you how to determine things like the opposite of plus 1 or positive 1 is negative 1. The opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. Minus a positive 1 is equal to negative 1, and so on. We further define what the additive inverse is of a number. Comparing integers. Given any two numbers r and s, there are three ways to express their comparison. R is less than s, read as r is less than s. R equals s, read as r equals s. R is greater than s, read as r is greater than s. You'll discover several practical examples of this fact in section 1.2. Rewriting inequalities. The very last topic from this section discusses how to rewrite inequalities. This presentation, along with the material needed to complete this section in your study of algebra, can be found at AlgebraMath.net. Order your copy now. This is the end of this video, and thank you for watching.